Hello, Lucky. What do you do now?
I want to upgrade software on our Solis inverter.
Forbidden do it. Hello, everybody. I'm the heavy user of the Solis hybrid inverter. We advise you not to upgrade the inverter by your ARM computer. We advise you use the SolisCloud app. With this app, you can connect your inverter and the Wi-Fi stick on the cloud. You have 3 ways to connect the Wi-Fi stick on the cloud. One way is you use the router to connect the inverter and the Wi-Fi stick on your SolisCloud app. The second way is use your cell phone's Bluetooth connected with the Wi-Fi stick, then on the SolisCloud software. And the third way is use the internet cable to connect with the stick to get the equipment on the SolisCloud. After you get the equipment on the SolisCloud app, you can connect with the official after service. Our workmates will upgrade your inverter to the newest software. With that, your inverter will working in the best performance. Thank you.